going to start about the Prachan Karma, a basic type of or primer type of Rakt Mochan, which is mentioned in Charak, Susrut, and many other literatures. As you know, the Shastra Karma, the Rakt Mochan is basically of two types: the Shastrakrit and Ashastrakrit. In Shastrakrit Rakt Mochan, the Prachan and Siraved are included. The Prachan is the initial method which are used as a single procedures or in other parasurgical procedures like in leech therapy, cupping, or in Sringa Uttara. Now, the Ayurveda has many treatment modalities. Some are practicing very effectively and some are very less, and few are not yet practicing by clinician till date. The Prachan Karma is simplest type of Rakt Mochan and is a simple scraping or scratching method of bloodletting. The Ayurveda has systemic textual description of Prachan Karma and is described in most of the texts, basically in Susrut Samhita. The Charak mentioned in it in Sadvid Shastra Karma as Patnam, Vedhanam Teo, Chednam, Lepnam Tatha, Prachannam, Sivanam Teo, Sadvidam Shastra Karma. And now the time is going on and the scholars of Ayurveda taking attention on Prachan Karma and start practicing and disseminating it. But the actual work which is required is still not at present. It is a simple definition of Rakt Mochan that the therapeutic removal of blood by and it is effective treatment in this management of various Pittaj Rogas and Raktaj Rogas. Now, what are the Prachan Karma in a simple way? Is the Prachan Karma performs superficial bloodletting of skin. Its synonyms are mentioned in various literature as Pad, Prachan, incision, scarification, scratching, Panchna या पांच लगाना. These are the terms which are synonymously for the Prachan Karma. It is basically a type of Shastrakrit Rakt Mochan, as I told earlier. It is a type of Lekhan Karma and it is a para-surgical procedures which are mentioned in Ayurveda. The references are available in Charak, Susrut, Vagbhats and other current texts. What are the indications of Prachan Karma? It is well known that there are so many diseases of Pittas and Raktas dosas in which the Prachan Karma is indicated. सुश्रुत ने एक लाइन लिखी है कि प्रच्छान, सिराभेद, श्रृंग, जलौका और अलाबू, ये जो 5 तरीके के रक्तमोचन हैं, इनको एक सर्वाणी सर्वैरवा मतलब सभी रक्त टाइप्स के रक्तमोचन को सभी दोषों में सुविधा अनुसार और वैद्य की विद्वता के आधार पर हम सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ग्रसित रक्त is the main indication of the Prachan Karma. Grasiत रक्त is nothing but simple, localized, stagnant, impure blood or coagulated blood at the local site. Or we can say that the lesion which are situated at the superficial region, that is the in skin, dermis and in epidermis region. Before getting indications, one should know about the त्वक शारीर. जैसा आपको पता है कि त्वक शारीर में अवभासनी, लोहिता, श्वेता, ताम्रा, वेदनी, रोहिणी, मांसधरा इत्यादि जो लेयर्स हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स के डिजीज के पद्मकंटक, लोहिता, तिलकालक, न्यक्ष, व्यंग. श्वेता चर्मदल, अग्जल्ली, मशक का अधिष्ठान है. ताम्रा लेयर में विविध प्रकार के खिलास एंड कुष्ठ का लेयर में कुष्ठ और विसर्ग. Various skin diseases and erysipelas like diseases are located at the tamra layer, Vedni layer. In Rohini, Granthi, Apchi, Arbud, Sleeper and Galgand diseases are located. In Mansdara layer, the Bhagandar, Vidrati and in nurse. In Bhagandar, in initial cases like in Amavastha, Vidradhi, and in ARS like in hematoma conditions and in thrombosed pile mass condition, the Prachan karma is better to indicate, as mentioned in slok, that prachane pinditam hitam or prachannam pinditeva. पिंडित रक्त ग्रथित रक्त एक दिवस रक्त आपको hypodermis layer. The Prachan karma is better to adopt as a bloodletting procedure as compared to other procedures. These are the indications of Prachan karma mentioned in Charak Samhita. वाताश्र ग्रंथि पीड़िका साकोठा रक्त मंडलम कोष्ठान्य अभितम चांगम सूथन चा प्रच्छेद विषय. वात रक्त ग्रंथि पीड़िका कोठ रक्त मंडल या various skin diseases which are located superficially may be superficially in which the Prachan karma may be used as a bloodletting procedure. It is also a purv karma in Jalokasran, Alabu and leech therapy. The general indication of Rakmochana Susrut, Rakmochana bloodletting mentioned by Susrut like in Twak dos, Granthi, Sof Rog and Sodit Rog, or especially in Pittaj Rogas, as well as in Raktaj Rogas due to Asray Asri Bhav. In both conditions, the bloodletting is best to treat the disease. These are the conditions, photographs which are described like in dermatitis, like in superficial, if there is conditions of path soot due to the filariasis or due to the DVT, you may give the improvement in that conditions. The conditions of boils, alopecia, and in many more conditions, the Prachan karma is better performed to got the result. What are the contraindicatory conditions? The simple contraindicatory conditions which are practicing in present scenario is the first of all the patient refusal. The feared patient and patient have bleeding disorders if any. If patient have anemic condition, patient have immunocompromised conditions, or in which generally Rakt Mochan is contraindicated or Sirabhed is contraindicated, as already mentioned in literature, that is Bal, Istivir, Ruch, Chat, Chid, Hiru, Parishrant, Thaka Hua, Istri Karsit, ya Bamit after Baman, after Virechan, ya Jagrit, excess night, wake and sleep, fish, and pregnant ladies. To avoid to perform the Prachan karma in such conditions, but the basic and practical things are the Sarvang Sop, Chidasya Amla Nimitan Bhojan Nimitta, Pandu Rogya, in severe conditions, Udar, Sos, and Garbidi. What are the material and methods for this? And the material required in Prachan karma are the clean designated place with bed table, that is in minor OT, personal protective equipment like sterile gloves, mask, cap, gown, to cut seat, dress seat, and bed seat, and the surgical blade of different types depends on the conditions and the selective strategy of the clinician. DP handle for scraping, the Dipatra Shastra or scalpel for scraping, and the surgical needle, antiseptic solutions like Panchavalkal Quath, Tripla Quath, dressing material, gauze piece, cotton, bandage, injection tetanus toxoid for prophylaxis, and as the blood is involved in this procedure, to follow the all norms of biomedical waste management, tourniquet applications, and application of wound healers after Prachan karma is the ST Madhu powder, turmeric powder, etc. First of all, how to screen a patient before taking in Prachan karma is the hemoglobin level to know about the anemic status, clotting time and bleeding time to know about bleeding disorders if any, and the infective condition like HIV, HBsAg must be screened out prior going to Prachan karma. Blood pictures, CBC for general infective conditions of the patients. Preparation of the patients ensure required material, management tools, post bloodletting management, and one should is to take consent prior to prachan karma and injection structure for prophylactic conditions and full aseptic precautions during the procedure. The blood is involved and they may cause a medical legal issue if not aseptic precautions taken in procedures. Or the prachan karma is the make a small superficial incision in specific pattern with the help of surgical blood under full aseptic caution. Approx 20 ml of blood is scraped out from digit, but it depends upon the site of the bloodletting procedures and the area in which the blood prachan karma performed. Multiple small superficial incision make in such a pattern that is neither too deep nor too close nor in oblique from distal to proximal. Mentioned in Sushruta and in Ashtanga Hridaya Samhita. Tatra ridu asankirna सूक्ष्मम समम अनवगाढ़म अनुलोम अनुत्पानम आसुचा शस्त्र पापेन and avoid marma sira snayu sandhi as mentioned in sira vedhan also. The prachan site is scraped by BP handle after making a small nick to break the skin continuity in the skin and to ooze out the blood. The BP handle is used for scraping to avoid clot formation and for significant bloodletting from the skin side, so the desired blood removed for getting the therapeutic stage. This is the prachan paschat karma, the post procedure care. Follow full aseptic precautions, cleaning and dressing of site with antiseptic solution. Blood-doping drugs are used. Advise rest for 1 or 2 hours to stop the bleeding at the local site. Avoid local tension trauma at that site. Avoid to get after procedures to avoid any infective situations. Manage like sira vedhan after care. Also in prachan karma. Waiting just a minute because network is not working properly. Now, just a home message that it is a bloodletting procedure and it removes localized, stagnant and coagulated blood. The impure blood, congested blood let out, the hard, thickened skin is scratched out, and it enhances fresh blood circulation locally, and the local nourishment improve after prachan karma. This can be used as a mode of action of prachan karma. And now the prachan karma with some oral Ayurvedic medicines are very effective in management of many chronic localized lesions of the skin. Thank you. Hello.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for your presentation. Very nice presentation. And
yes, sir.
Now I request Dr. Seetal to invite the next speaker.
I think, sir, Dr. Vasudha is with us, and she is
yeah, Dr. Vasudha, you can start your presentation.
She is waiting for her presentation. So I thank Dr. Mahesh Kumar ji. You have very rightly proved that you have formed the SOPs of prachan karma, and you are a zoologist also prior to Ayurveda graduation, and you have got many research papers. So thank you so much, sir. And now over to Dr. Vasudha. Your presentation.